Welcome all traders to their daily look ahead. This is where we take a look at gold, the dollar, and the mini NASDAQ to find out what types of trades we can take the following day. But before we dive into the charts, make sure to like and subscribe so that more people can enjoy this content. Hello everyone, this is a look ahead, daily look ahead for April 2nd, 2025. So let's go ahead and start with gold here. So gold went up and went right to where we thought it would and took a drop. So what we're looking for now is another push higher. And then I think gold starts to come back down further. So we can see gold do something like this. All right. So again, tomorrow's the tariff date. So you got to be aware of that. So I think I'll give you my thoughts on that as we go through and look at the other indexes and so forth. Next, let's look at Dixie. So again, Dixie did not do much today. It kind of stayed in a tight bound range. But again, I'm looking for Dixie to do a push out. So I'm looking for Dixie to come up here, push, maybe hit about 105, or I'm sorry, about 104.91, and possibly up a little higher before we come back down like so. Okay. So that's outlook on Dixie. So we're just looking for this to go higher tomorrow. Next, we're looking at M&Q. So M&Q going out on the 4-hour, we see that we're holding above this line, and we have come back off of this pullback right here to about the 50% level. I'm expecting this to go up a little higher. But I do expect it to do something like this, maybe push up a little higher and then have a drop like this. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be looking for tomorrow on M&Q. And then we go out to Bitcoin. So Bitcoin did come down. It hit the bottom channel of this wedge, but it bounced off dramatically. That's kind of interesting. Right now, it's not telling us that there's a break going on. So we're going to watch this very carefully. But if we do break, I would expect it to come down here further and then reverse. So I do expect it to do that still, even though we did bounce off the bottom of that channel. Let's just pull this out on the daily and take a look at this. So here's that right there. And what we're really looking for is we're looking for a retest of this breakout right here. That's a pretty significant breakout. We're looking for a retest and then a continuation to the upside. Now, if we go out to the Dow, we can really see this play out here. So this is the 4-hour chart. It kind of held tight in the range today. It didn't come up and come back down. It held tight. So this may, instead of going up and hitting that may go ahead and just kind of pop a little bit and then start heading down, and then we get the reversal. So here's my ideas behind all this. And let me pull this out to the daily so you can see what I'm looking at here, okay? So I'm looking for a downward move down to the bottom of this channel here, okay? Let me get the rest of these here. So I'm looking for this to push down to about 39,926. I think this happens tomorrow. And then we have a strong reversal off that bottom. So keep a look at that. So again, push down and lift off. And kind of the same way in M&Q going out to the dailies, looking for a push down in this. Let's pull it back here so we can get a better understanding of what's going on. Looking for a push down. And we're going down to the bigger channel. Let me just pull that up there so you can see it. So I'm looking for this right here. Looking for that channel right there. And the top of that channel exists right here. Okay. So I'm looking for a push down to that and then the reversal. So I think that's a very real possibility. Okay. That's pretty much what I'm looking for. This is a much bigger channel. Maybe I can even get a little larger here so we can maybe watch for this, but there's this channel right here. Okay. Now, do I think it comes down to the bottom of that channel? Maybe, maybe not. We'll see what it does at this point right here. That's the even larger one there. Okay. So again, if it does happen to break, continue down, I would expect at least a lift off and push out there. But keep an eye on it. It's in a very peculiar spot here. It could reverse at any time to the upside. But I do expect a downside push first and then an upside rally. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for not necessarily all that happens tomorrow, but maybe the downside push happens tomorrow. Then we start to be seeing the reversal at the end of the day or over the next couple of days, Thursday, Friday. Okay, so take care. I hope this helps. Good luck trading tomorrow. Be very careful. Markets will be volatile. And if you want to come join us, just go ahead and click on the link in the description, and we'll help you out in your trading. Take care. Talk to you soon.